Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, I'm sharing 10 Notion AI secrets you might not know about. We're going beyond basic note-taking and exploring powerful features like automating tasks, generating creative content, and even analyzing your code. First, summarize meeting notes. Notion AI can quickly summarize your meeting notes, identify action items, and jog your memory. Second, write YouTube scripts. Create high-quality YouTube scripts in your own writing style by providing Notion AI with your notes and a style guide. Third, translate video titles. Easily translate your YouTube video titles into multiple languages for wider reach. Fourth, automate social media posts. Generate engaging social media posts directly within Notion and use webhooks to post them to your platforms automatically. Fifth, search external data. Connect Notion AI to Google Drive to search your documents and find relevant information. Sixth, analyze GitHub code. Connect to GitHub and use Notion AI to analyze your code, understand its functionality, and get insights into your projects. Seventh, capture ideas on the go. Use Notion shortcuts on your iPhone to quickly record voice notes and text notes directly into your Notion workspace. Eighth, brainstorm with AI. Use Notion AI as a powerful brainstorming tool to generate ideas, explore concepts, and get inspiration. Ninth, analyze images. Upload images to Notion AI and ask it to identify objects, extract information, and generate descriptions. 10th, personalize Notion. Create a custom Notion character using the Notion Faces designer to add a personal touch to your workspace. Notion AI offers a range of powerful features. Explore these tips and discover how Notion AI can enhance your productivity and creativity. Join my community for more discussions and to share your own Notion AI tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.